traders? FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live stream on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, like I've been saying, it is extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. Now, we are to the point where this wave 3 could end at any time, but we also have to keep in mind wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. This thing could go up to the $3,000 area, right around the 261.8, before it actually decides to make that big wave 4 and that big wave 5. So don't expect that the wave 3 needs to be over, because it definitely could keep going up. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the wave 1, the wave 2, and then this is all a wave 3 from that point on. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We do not have a break of structure to the downside. We definitely don't have any lower highs telling us that this trend is over. I honestly think that even though there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here, that fifth wave is stretched out to the point where it can't really be a final wave. So even if it does go down, it's probably still a part of a wave 3. I think we would have to see something like this just to prove that the wave 3 is over. So anyways, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a very strong move to the downside yesterday, as you can see. But this strong move definitely did not break any structure. It did kind of respect the Fibonacci level, but it definitely did not break any structure to the downside, telling me that the wave 3 is still not proven to be over, and we still should primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, now it definitely does look like a possible complete trend. It looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this time frame, but this is just a little piece of a trend within a trend. Now, if this is a complete trend, then this possibly will end up doing something like this, making a three-way pattern down, which will probably eventually take out the low of wave 4 before it actually does go up. Like I was showing you on the monthly time frame, I think that this needs to make like a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off the wave 3. So it'd be like a wave 4 of wave 3 and a wave 5 of wave 3. So anyways, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, because of the structure, because the trend is definitely still up, I definitely would still be looking for logs. I would expect that this move down right here actually could be like a wave A of a bigger correction, or possibly a wave 1, which means that this move up right here possibly could make it like something like this, which would be a correction to this move down. And then maybe it'll push down like this, which will set itself up possibly for another long opportunity at the elections, the U.S. elections that we got coming out next week. So I think this is definitely a possibility. But the thing is when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, it may be more likely that it just does this and this and this and just keeps on trending up. Because the trend is literally in a wave 3 on every single time frame. We're in a wave 3 to the upside. You don't really want to fight wave 3s. Wave 3s are the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. And like I was explaining on the much higher time phase, wave 3s can extend way farther than you may think they can. This thing could easily go up to $3,000 an ounce, which I have the 261 Fibonacci extension on the weekly, monthly time frame, right around $3,000 an ounce. So don't think that this wave 3 has to be over, because it definitely does not have to be over. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.